Hello guys, and today we're going to be continuing our how to build a game tutorial. So of course first you want to go to ROBLOX, that's kind of obvious, and then you're going to want to go to your game that you are making. It should be here in manage my places. It is right here. And so I decided to change the style of the game because I thought it might be cooler or more original and more fun to play if we made this game where basically there were different maps, and like maybe you'll have here. I'm gonna go pull out a part. It's right there, where basically there's this entire obby-like map, and there's the platforms behind you will disappear in like an amount of time. So like, let's say you start there. Then you have to jump to here, then you have to jump to here, and then you have to jump to here, and so on, right? So it'd be like this. But then suddenly, after about 15 seconds, a part of it will disappear, and it'll be kind of like try to get through the obby as quick as you can. I think it'd make a really cool game. So you're gonna start out with making a map. We're gonna want to anchor it. We're gonna make it custom, so we can do whatever we want with it. I want to make it smooth, and I kind of, for this first map, I kind of want, like, here, we got this first part. Let's put a script in it, because I wanna do this whole thing. So we're gonna basically make a function, change color, script, or here, let's go quickly make a table of colors. And to make a table, you basically put a bunch of different values, whether that's string values, double values, or Boolean values. Doesn't really matter. You can put a bunch of stuff in here. Colors. Let's do yellow, bright blue, bright red. Not bright green, really black, let's go look at some other ones, magenta. Okay, now we're gonna make a math.random statement, and so we'll go one number of colors. So basically, it's gonna choose a random number. It goes from 1 to the amount of colors in this table, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically, math.random 1 and 6. And now we're gonna make that a value. Local choice equals math.random 1 number of colors. Script.parent. Not brick color, but brick color. Brick color equals brick color dot new colors, and then we're gonna do choice. So basically, whenever you put a table name like colors, and I do this, it means whatever one is in that first value. So if I did this, if let's say it chose 1, it would change to yellow. If I did 5, it would change to really black. If I changed it to 3, it would be bright red. So this will be a random number anywhere from 1 to 6, and so we'll select any one of these values, and it'll make the color of this part that value. But now we need an event, script parent.touched connect function, no, connect, blah 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 blah, change, oh, there we go, now that should work. Let's go do some testing. That is, if Roblox doesn't crash on me whenever I test it. Go on, Roblox. I think I see what I did wrong. Gosh. Yep, I see what I did wrong. I think. Either that or Roblox just randomly crashed on me, which I dislike a lot, so I'm just gonna close Roblox, because it crashed. This happens sometimes, guys. And it's extremely annoying, and I'm pretty sure I know why. One main thing about doing that sort of stuff is that if you don't put a debounce, or, well, it's just not like, because it can constantly be running. Every time it's touched, it's like boom, 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 boom. So you want to have it, let's put like a 5-second wait. So if you touch it once and it changes to green, then you'll have to wait 5 seconds. Then you can touch it again, and then maybe it'll change to green or a different color. Okay, and Roblox Studio is loading, but I actually did not want it to load because now that I realize it, I'll go back to autosave and it's gonna crash on me yet again, so that's good. I'm gonna go down here to Roblox Studio, just open it from the start menu here. Loading. And then it should say an autosave recovery file has been detected. We're gonna go peek and verify the date. And we're gonna find our correct Roblox Studio file. And of course, Roblox crashes. Of course. And I accidentally opened up a different game. I just love Roblox sometimes. Doesn't everybody? Okay, you see now I'm gonna click open, and it should show me a bunch of things. I'm gonna try to find today's date. Okay, it should be down here. Here we go. Found it. Now, here we go. Gonna lift you up. Okay. Now we're gonna make an if statement. If dbounce is equal to double equal, if you do only one equal, it won't work, because then it'll think that you're setting dbounce to false, not checking. Is equal to false. Dbounce. We're gonna originally set dbounce to false, and then once it fires, we're gonna make dbounce true. So if they touch it again, then they'll see that dbounce is true and they can't fire it again. We're gonna wait 5 seconds. Dbounce equals false. And now it shouldn't glitch out, right? Come on, Roblox Studio, you can do it. I believe. It's not responding. Crashing again. Wow. 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 I'm so impressed. You know what? Roblox just, wow. Wow, Roblox. Here, I'm gonna quickly pause this video while I go back and hopefully I can get it to test and work. Okay guys, so I uploaded it to Roblox and now I'm testing it and it looks like it's working. I've tested it out a couple of times. I touch it, it turns red, I wait about 5 seconds. Other platform. So now that we can go back and again our first snap, so that'll be interesting. Of platforms like that. And it should be pretty cool. What should we call it? What should we call this map? Well, I should probably build the map before I give it a name. Okay, well, I wait for Roblox to load, but as usual, Roblox probably crashed. Because I have no idea why Roblox crashes. It's so annoying. Okay, here we go. If Roblox crashes again, I will not be happy with Roblox. And it appears that it may have just, come on, oh my freaking gosh, I'm gonna no, I'm gonna edit it. This is seriously so annoying. Seriously super annoying. Wow, look at that, Roblox Studio. Just come on, Roblox. Now I can't even look at it. Wow. Oh, okay, we're back. We're in, guys. We're in. I didn't think we'd make it in, but we are somehow. Okay, so we're gonna make it over here in the distance. We gotta make a starting platform, so we're also gonna need to make some spawn points, but that shouldn't be too difficult. Let's tilt it a little bit. We don't want it to be too easy for them. We want it to be difficult. One thing that I did find that I think we should make this wait a 2-second wait. Anyways, so we're gonna start here. I'm gonna move you a bit over here. You also maybe want to like test it sometimes. I'm not gonna be doing much testing because if you guys haven't already noticed, it's super annoying having to test it. I'm gonna tilt you around this way. Trying to make this really hard. Okay, here. I think I have a general idea. We're gonna make the starting platform later because we're gonna have to make spawn points. Nobody likes spawn points. Well, it's kind of nice. Well, it's not that hard, but it's takes some work. I might do that next video. Make this a bit down like so. Gonna make this a bit farther out so we can't leap from there to there. Gonna make this a bit high. Make it a bit low so I can step onto it. This should be a pretty cool map when it's done. Now we're gonna divide it into sections later on. Okay, let's make it a bit tall. A bit higher, my bad. Like so, I think you can jump. The person can jump from there to there. Now I'm gonna do that, making it extremely difficult. Okay, like so. Beautiful. I love it. But imagine like hopping on each brick and it changes it to a different color. That would be really cool. We have this map finished and the game is ready to be played. So you hop from here to here. And then from here to there. Okay, that looks like a pretty good start. I'm gonna make. Okay, let's start dividing this into sections. This will be. This will be section 1. So, section 1. This will be section 2. Section 2, like so, like so. I think each map is gonna have like 8 or. I think each map will have like what? I've always said 10 sections. 10 sections. That seems fair. Okay, let's see here. I'm just kind of putting them in random angles, but you can do whatever you really feel like. Make it with a little bit of a drop here. Just seeing. I'm gonna tilt it upwards, right down, a little bit up, like so, like so. And then, you also can adjust the size of them. Okay. That looks like a really complicated map. Okay, let's come up here. Copy and paste. Wait, never mind. I'm going to begin to start testing it. Little up. Okay, let's go test it. And that's right, Roblox doesn't like me testing my own games. Trying to give Roblox more people to play. Okay guys, I'm gonna pause this video, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I've managed to test it, and as you see, it's working out pretty well. I'm able to successfully jump off in square. I'm considering doing something like, just like, well, I have no idea, but you see it's pretty, why are they all turning green? That's so weird, they're all turning green. But yeah, it's definitely like two different maps, considering the fact that people are the time. So I'm going to end this video here, guys. So you guys basically understand the basics of map making. I'm gonna add more sections for video if you like that is. And if you want to see this, if you want to learn more about making games, then tutorials.